Hi, I'm Dr. Jessica Stahl, and I want to talk to you about the Women's Networking event. So this year I'm the keynote speaker, and I'm going to be talking about power, people, and profit. I'm an industrial organizational psychologist. I led global women's leadership programs before starting my own business, and I can't wait to share my experience with you. So power, it's really cutting through those limiting beliefs and just really owning who you are. People, it's about building a network of men and women to get you to the top. And then profit is knowing what you're worth and not accepting anything less. So with these three components, that is the recipe for success. And I hope you'll come out to the event. I can't wait to share it with you.